In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your hair in WWE 2K23. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to manage and change your hair at any time by heading over into the Appearance tab. So first, open up the Hub menu and head into Appearance. Wait for the game to load and eventually you will be able to manage your superstar. So select the one that you wish to edit and go into the attire option. Select the specific attire that you are going to be modifying the hair for, and once you load into it, select Edit Attire, Appearance, and then Hair and Facial Parts. Immediately, you will be able to choose among the list of hairs, and immediately when you select any of them, they will be applied to your superstar. The next time you go into a match, they will appear and the changes will be saved automatically. So all you have to do is go into the Appearance tab and edit the hair and facial features. You can manage this at any time and it's completely free to do with any attire that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your hair in WWE 2K23. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.